Can you really earn PayPal cash from your phone with AppKarma? The answer is yes, and in this video, I will go through this app where you can earn cash or gift cards by installing apps, playing games, and so much more. I will also withdraw a payment and then show you my payment proof. On the Play Store, AppKarma has a rating of 4.1 stars out of 5, and it's been downloaded over 5 million times. Let's quickly go through some of the latest reviews. Everything was going great until yesterday when the app kept loading and loading. I haven't been able to get into the app, and it's frustrating that I cannot complete tasks. Please fix this. Then the user edited the message saying, I figured out the problem and it makes no sense at all. When I'm not connected to the internet, AppKarma lets me in. But the problem here is that all the offers require Wi-Fi to open. So of course you will need internet access to complete offers on AppKarma, either through Wi-Fi or 5G. The second comment is from September 18th, 2023. They do pay out, but their points have no rhyme or reason. I do understand what this person is saying, and I will show you in detail once I open up the app. The point system can be a bit confusing. Cashed out for the final time, so I can finally leave an honest review. If one of the offers doesn't give you the scratches as promised, support doesn't care. 50,000 points for $50 Amazon gift cards, yet 52,500 points for $50 with PayPal. This makes sense to me, as PayPal is known to often charge some fees to these types of apps or websites. It takes forever to save up for even a $3 Amazon, which is 4,650 points. Not worth the terrible apps you gotta play. I don't think all the apps are terrible, and actually, especially if you're a gamer, there are always plenty of games to earn money. The apps to earn also change regularly. And the latest comment from the Play Store's homepage just started, but it seems fairly easy to earn points. Not like a lot of these types of apps, where you spend days earning 300,000 points, only to find out that converts to 1 cent. I like that they have a wide selection of games, again, unlike most of these types of apps. I think this comment is fair. I've tested many mobile apps in the past, and some of them will reward tens or hundreds of thousands of points, only to find out that it's worth a few cents. Although the conversion rate is a bit confusing, it is much easier to calculate how much you will earn before completing offers on AppKarma. If you wish to sign up, make sure to click on the link provided in the description from your mobile phone and click on the Google Play Store to open up the page I'm at right now, or if you're on iOS, go to m.appkarma.io on your Safari browser. Unfortunately, iOS doesn't have a dedicated app, so it will be browser-based compared to Android that has a dedicated app. So I'm now on the homepage of AppKarma, and at the top, you can see I've earned 5,252 points, which is just enough to withdraw my very first payment. By default, they will show you all the different apps you can install to earn, but you can filter what's showing depending on your preferences. I will select games as it's a fun way to earn money here. Bingo Blitz is a game where you can earn 7,100 points. Please note that there are always prerequisites, like completing a certain level within a specific amount of time, for example. Swap It Jigsaw Puzzles is another game where you can earn 492 points. With Merge Dom, you can earn 2,878 points, etc. Scrolling down, you will see tens or hundreds of different games. Here's another one that pays quite well, called Doomsday: Last Survivors, and where you can earn 5,152 points. To start earning, just click on any game that interests you and read the instructions. This game, like most others on AppKarma, is known as a multiple rewards game because you don't need to finish up all the goals to earn points. Once you reach level 8, you will already earn 129 points. You can also earn 892 points if you make a purchase inside the game. Note that you don't have to do that, and you can simply continue playing the game until you reach level 11, 12, 14, and all the way to level 17. If you do that without making a purchase in the game, then you will earn 5,152 points minus 892 points. If you're happy with that, hit proceed, and it will take a few seconds to redirect you to the Play Store where you can install the game. Then simply start playing as you normally would, and that's it. The hardest part will probably be to reach all these levels. I've played some games to get the amount of points I have right now on AppKarma, and some were much harder than I thought, or at the very least, took longer than expected. You can see here that I have unclaimed points in the bonus section. This is because I hit the daily rewards a few minutes ago, but while I was recording, there was a bug on my recording app, so I had to start over. Basically, every day you can click here on daily rewards to earn some bonuses. The first day reward is easy, as you don't have to earn any points, but on day 2 onwards, you will need to earn a certain amount of points to activate the daily bonus. So if I hit bonus now, and then hit scratch now, I will be able to claim a reward. A short ad will first appear, and once finished, just close it, and you will be presented with this scratch card. Scratch it all, plus the part on top, and that's it. So I just earned 10 points. It's much less than some other times I did that, but it's always great to get a little bonus. In progress, you will see the list of apps or games that you've installed and how much you've earned from them. Note that I haven't played all these games, but each time you click on an app or game and hit proceed, they will be added to this list. I was checking some of these games to see if I'd be interested in playing them, but after seeing the gameplays, I decided not to install most of them. I played Solitaire through Spider briefly and reached level 3 and earned 20 points, but I didn't want to continue until level 75 as it would have taken me weeks of playing. I played some other games here and earned thousands of points, but they're not showing anymore. Let's now move on to the Rewards tab, where you can redeem your points. I am based in Ireland, so I can redeem my points to get some PayPal cash, Google Play gift cards, Xbox Live, or Steam. I'm only interested in PayPal, so let's see what options there are. As you can see, the minimum withdrawal amount is 5,250 Karma points, or the equivalent of $3. If you redeem that amount, they will give you a redeem bonus of 262 points. If you're patient, you should definitely wait until you earn more points, as the conversion from points to cash becomes more and more interesting. 7,750 points is worth $5, and you get a higher redeem bonus of 387 points. Then it's 14,500 points to get $10, and the redeem bonus is 725 points. And you can redeem up to $50 at a time, or 52,500 points. And they will give you a redeem bonus of 2,625 points, so it's definitely better to wait until you reach that amount. I'm gonna go against that advice, as I will withdraw the lowest amount they have, but I'm only doing that to make sure the app is legit and to show you a payment proof. I also currently only have enough points to withdraw $3, so I don't really have a choice right now. Once you've selected your reward, hit redeem and enter your PayPal email address. The payment will be made within 24 to 48 hours. Redemption is final and there won't be any refund. If you're happy with that, hit OK. So I just got the little redeem bonus they were mentioning. We are giving you 5% of what you redeemed back to your account. Today is September 23rd, so I will continue this video and then pause it later on until I get the payment to show you that it's legit. Back to the reward section, on the top right corner, Euro is selected by default as I'm based in Ireland. If you're based in the US, just hit United States and you will see the amount of different ways to redeem your points is very different. You can also withdraw via PayPal, but also via Amazon, iTunes, Google Play, Starbucks, Target, Walmart, and many more options. Many of my viewers are also from India, and your options are only PayPal or Flipkart. If you're not based in any countries listed here, simply click on Worldwide, and then the only option would be to get some PayPal cash. Let's now move on to Profile. So I just got 300 points as I've redeemed my very first gift card. This is basically a bonus section where you will earn more points as you complete tasks listed here. You get a 300 points bonus for referring someone to AppKarma, 50 points simply for signing up, etc. There are basically thousands of points you can earn from here simply by completing tasks on the app. If you need to contact AppKarma support, hit the question mark. First, they will show you the general FAQ, such as how do I delete my account or data, how do I earn rewards, etc. To contact their support, scroll all the way down and hit Get in Touch. Enter your email address, select the subject, your message, and you can even include an attachment if needed, such as a screenshot of any issues you might be having with the app. The last tab is where you can invite your friends to the app. Earn 300 points when your referral earns a reward, plus 25% of everything they earn. When you invite your friends, they will get 300 points when they enter your referral code. Your referral code is here, and your referral link below that you can share. When sending this referral link, they will be redirected to this page. From here, as explained at the beginning of this video, they can click on the Google Play Store to install AppKarma or go to the link below if they're on iOS. So I will now pause the recording of this video and get back to you once I receive the PayPal payment I requested earlier. I'm back and received the payment from AppKarma only one day after I requested it. The company behind the payment is Dogfield Software LLC and they sent the full amount of $3. I've also connected to my PayPal account and you can see the full amount was successfully transferred. Overall, AppKarma is a good app to earn a little extra from your mobile phone. While the earnings are not extremely high, they are much higher than most apps you will find on the Google Play Store or on the App Store. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I regularly upload new content on how to make money online, and I would gladly test any app or websites that you recommend in the comment section. Thank you all for watching this video, and see you soon.